Welcome to Healthy Facts 101. Today we're diving into 7 nourishing breakfast ideas for babies and toddlers, ages 8 months to 3 years. These simple, wholesome meals set the tone for healthy habits and happy mornings. Let's get started and make breakfast both easy and memorable. Let's start with a timeless favorite, oatmeal with mashed banana. This simple breakfast is a staple in many homes, and for good reason. It's quick to prepare, easy to customize, and packed with nutrients that are perfect for growing babies. Whether you're a new parent or just looking for a wholesome meal to start your little one's day, this recipe is a go-to option that never disappoints. Oatmeal is gentle on tiny tummies, making it ideal for babies who are just starting solids. It's rich in fiber, which helps keep digestion smooth, and provides steady, slow-release energy to fuel busy mornings filled with play and exploration. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free and easy to digest. For younger babies, you can blend rolled oats in a food processor or blender before cooking. This creates a finer, smoother texture that's gentle on developing gums and easy to swallow. As your baby grows, you can gradually increase the texture for more variety. There's no need for added sugar. Just mash a ripe banana with a fork and stir it in. The natural sweetness of banana not only makes the oatmeal taste delicious, but also gives it a creamy, comforting finish. Bananas are easy to mash and blend perfectly with warm oats. Bananas are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're loaded with potassium, which supports healthy muscle function and helps maintain hydration. They also provide vitamin B6 and vitamin C, both important for your baby's growth and immune system. To prepare, simply cook oats with water, breast milk, or whole milk, depending on your baby's age and dietary needs. Once the oats are soft and creamy, stir in the mashed banana. You can adjust the consistency by adding more liquid if needed, making it just right for your baby. In just a few minutes, you'll have a warm, comforting, and nutrient-rich breakfast that's perfect for little hands and big appetites. The aroma of oats and banana is inviting, and the texture is soft enough for babies to enjoy. With just 2 wholesome ingredients, there's no fuss and no complicated steps. It's a meal you can feel good about serving, knowing exactly what's in every bite. You can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg for extra flavor as your baby gets older. Oatmeal with mashed banana is more than just a meal. It's a loving, nourishing start to your baby's day. Simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious. It's sure to become a favorite at your breakfast table. Next up, we have scrambled eggs with spinach, a simple yet powerful breakfast that's packed with nutrition and perfect for little ones starting solids. This dish is not only quick to prepare, but it's also a fantastic way to introduce your baby to new flavors and textures, making mealtime both fun and nourishing. Eggs are a wonderful source of high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids your baby needs for healthy growth and tissue repair. They're also rich in choline, which is important for brain development and memory. For babies, it's best to cook the eggs into a soft scramble. This gentle, creamy texture is easy for little mouths to manage and helps prevent choking, making it a safe and enjoyable first food. Adding spinach is a great way to boost the nutritional value of this meal. Finely chop or puree the spinach so it blends smoothly into the eggs, ensuring your baby gets extra iron, folate, and vitamins A and C, all essential for healthy development. Spinach mixes in seamlessly, giving the eggs a lovely green color and a mild flavor. Introducing greens early helps your baby develop a taste for vegetables, setting the stage for healthy eating habits. To prepare, simply whisk an egg with a splash of milk for extra creaminess, then cook gently over low heat. Stir in the spinach as the eggs begin to set and continue cooking until everything is soft and fluffy. You can serve the scrambled eggs on their own, or pair them with soft toast fingers for older babies who are ready to practice self-feeding. The combination makes for a balanced, satisfying breakfast. This meal not only supports brain development and muscle growth, but it also keeps little tummies full and happy, giving your child the energy they need to explore and learn. Scrambled eggs with spinach is a savory, satisfying way to start the day. It's nutritious, quick to make, and easy to adapt as your baby grows, making it a go-to breakfast for busy mornings. Who says pancakes can't be healthy and delicious? With just a few simple swaps, you can turn a classic breakfast favorite into a nourishing meal that your little one and the whole family will love. Try making whole wheat pancakes and top them with a generous spoonful of unsweetened applesauce. This combination is not only tasty, but it's also packed with nutrients that support your child's growth and development. Whole wheat flour is a fantastic source of fiber, which helps keep digestion running smoothly and provides steady energy throughout the morning. It also contains important vitamins and minerals that refined flour just can't match. To make the batter, simply mix whole wheat flour, an egg, milk, and for an extra boost of nutrition, add a bit of mashed banana or pumpkin. These add natural sweetness, extra vitamins, and a soft texture that's perfect for little eaters. You can easily make a big batch of pancakes ahead of time and freeze them. On busy mornings, just reheat and serve. Breakfast is ready in minutes with no stress. Instead of sugary syrup, use unsweetened applesauce as a topping. It brings a gentle, natural sweetness and a boost of vitamin C, making it a healthier choice for your child's breakfast. For little hands, cut the pancakes into bite-sized pieces or strips. This makes it easy for babies and toddlers to pick up and self-feed, encouraging them to explore new textures and flavors. Self-feeding not only builds independence, but also helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a wonderful way for your child to practice eating on their own. Serving applesauce on the side lets babies experience the natural flavor of fruit, helping them develop a love for wholesome foods from the very start. Whole wheat pancakes with applesauce make breakfast a fun, wholesome, and satisfying meal for any day of the week. It's a great way to bring the family together around the table. These pancakes are not only delicious and nutritious, but they're also quick and easy to prepare, making them perfect for busy families. With every bite, breakfast just got a lot more exciting and a whole lot healthier. For a no-cook option, try Greek yogurt with berries. Use plain whole milk Greek yogurt for healthy fats and protein. Probiotics in yogurt support gut health and immunity. Add mashed or chopped berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, for color and antioxidants. Berries provide vitamin C and fiber, making this a nutrient-packed meal. For extra nutrition, stir in mashed banana or ground flaxseed. This breakfast is cool, creamy, and bursting with flavor. It's a sensory treat babies love. Quick to assemble, perfect for busy mornings, simple ingredients, big nutrition, effortlessly healthy and delicious. Avocado toast fingers are a modern favorite for little hands. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, crucial for brain and eye development. Mash ripe avocado and spread on lightly toasted whole grain bread. Slice into strips for easy self-feeding. The creamy avocado and crisp toast make a satisfying combo. Add a sprinkle of hemp seeds or a dash of paprika for older babies. This meal supports independence and healthy growth. It's quick, versatile, and nutrient-dense. Perfect for breakfast or a snack. Simple, tasty, and empowering for your child. Cottage cheese with peaches is a classic, protein-rich breakfast. Choose full-fat cottage cheese for essential fats and calcium. Top with diced or mashed peaches, fresh or canned in juice. Peaches add vitamin A and C, plus natural sweetness. This combo is cool, refreshing, and easy to prepare. Stir together for a uniform texture or serve separately for exploration. It's a gentle, filling meal for growing bodies. Great for warm mornings or a quick snack. 2 ingredients, endless nourishment, simple, timeless, and delicious. Mini vegetable muffins are a make-ahead breakfast hero. Use whole wheat flour, eggs, and applesauce or banana for a healthy base. Add finely shredded veggies, zucchini, carrots, spinach, or sweet potato. Bake in mini muffin tins for perfect baby-sized portions. These muffins are freezer-friendly and great for on the go. They encourage self-feeding and sneak in extra veggies. Add a little cheese for extra protein and flavor. A batch lasts all week, making mornings easier. Nutritious, convenient, and kid-approved. Perfect for breakfast or snacks. Healthy eating made simple. That's 7 easy, nourishing breakfasts to help your little one thrive. If you enjoyed these ideas, subscribe to Healthy Facts 101 for more tips and recipes. Share your favorite baby breakfasts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.